So I'm making this LED strip right here. I already soldered it and everything in a previous video. If you want to see that, make sure you follow because I do a lot of electrical stuff. We have this end right here, which I've stripped a little bit. And we have these nylon quick disconnect connectors. That's what I really want to show you in this video, this set right here. So it's locked together pretty good, so nothing falls out. You all these different connectors for all different sizes here. We're going to use the red one for this. For this, I'm going to grab 3 female heads, and there's a bunch of male heads here. And I'm basically just going to put it on these wires right here, then right here. That way I can put the other male ends that I have into here and connect this LED strip. Just so I make sure the connection is super strong, I also use these. And this is a little bit easier to open, but this is pretty cool. It's a whole kit with a bunch of these ferrule ends, and I have these tools in here, crimping, and we're gonna use this. So I'm gonna kind of measure one of the ends here. The insulation stops here, so I'm gonna strip the wire back a little bit more, and this wire is 16 gauge. And I put it in, make sure it's at the tip just like that, and then I go ahead and crimp it. Just like that. And then we're gonna repeat it for these two.